Hey guys, let's talk about the Amazon Echo Flex flashing this yellow light. So as you can see, I have my Echo Flex on mute, okay? And then I can just unmute and talk to the Echo Flex and ask for the notifications. This yellow light is because there is some notification that I need to read or need to listen, right? And let me just unmute here and ask. Alexa, play my notifications.
Good morning, Claudemir. One new notification. From Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory for Doral. It'll be in effect from August 4th, 11 a.m. EDT until August 4th, 7 p.m.
Okay, as you can see, the light is gone. No longer there because the notification was red, okay? So super simple, but that's the way you fix this problem. It's not a real problem, right? But that's the way you fix this yellow light on an Amazon Echo Show. I hope this helps. Leave your comments here, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.